Hello everybody, welcome back here, and today I'm going to be drawing a cool fire dragon for everyone. I thank you guys all so much for watching this video and coming back to my channel to watch more. But anyway, back to the video. I'm going to be using a whole bunch of different materials. As you can see right now, I'm using my standard Copic outliner. I like this outliner a lot because it actually does not smudge like pen or any other outliners, because I stick to a lot of Copic marker use and Prismacolor pencil use. So this outliner has done a fair amount for my channel and all of my drawings, so I recommend the Copic outliner. But anyway, as you see how I'm detailing on the scales and everything, I'm taking my time because I do not want to mess up or smudge anything. So that's why I'm taking so much time on this outline. And as you see, I'm going to add a little more detail onto the parts of the dragon, like the scales, parts under the nose, and just making it a little bit darker. But now I'm going to be using a Chinese orange mixed with a little bit of acid yellow for the dragon's mouth. That's going to be a very fun part because I want to make this part shine on the dragon. I don't want to have it bold. Some dragons are kind of bold there. I want to make this very dark. And now for the main part of the drawing, I'm going to be using a cherry chapstick red, a cardinal red, and kind of a whole bunch of different browns, burnt siennas, blacks, and that's how I'm going to be changing and melding all these colors together. As you see, I go over it with mainly a fat layer of my cherry chapstick and maybe a Chinese orange, then I detail it up. I'm going to have to add a lot of detail to this fire dragon because I actually do not want to make it have a little less detail, because I want to make it really detailed, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to kind of add a little bit of a 3D effect here. I'm making the molten lava part on underneath his mouth. It's going to be a very fun part to do and look at as I can see my dragon progress. So now I did throw my cherry chapstick red base coat over it again, and I'm going to be mixing a whole bunch of different colors with burnt sienna, black, dark bark brown, and my Uni-ball White Pen. I have a whole bunch of different colors in this dragon, but I'm only sticking to the main four, like reds, browns, blacks, and oranges and yellows, because I don't want to have any blues or anything, and obviously in a fire dragon. So that's why I'm sticking to those colors. Now for the horns are very tricky but very fun. I wanted to just go straight and make them really dark and possibly have a little bit of light in the middle. So that's what I'm doing with those big horns up there, as you see. Now I'm going to be working on my scales. My scales are very fun to draw because scales are like kind of repetitive, but you can actually do whatever you want to them because they usually really look good. So I'm going to be going over the cardinal red and then my Chinese orange. My cardinal red I'm going to keep to a minimum and kind of blend in my Chinese orange all around it to have a little bit of a more scaly effect. Now for the main neck of the dragon, as you see, I'm going to be going over with my Chinese orange, doing a cardinal red coat, a cherry chapstick coat, and then I'm going to finish it off with my yellow, my pretty acid yellow, just to have a more detailing effect and vibrant colors added onto this dragon. So now I'm going to be going on more to detailing how you say the wings. I'm going to go over it with a cardinal red, just a flat cardinal red, then I'm going to fly it over with a cherry chapstick red so it melds in those colors, blends them right together, then I'm going to throw a little black over it. But as you see right here, I added a whole bunch of little dots in my Uni-ball White Pen, then went over it again with my cherry chapstick red. That has a little cool dampening effect to the drawing, makes it a little bit lighter and different, changes it up a little bit. So now, I was thinking on what should I do for my background, and I thought a little cool, nice castle would be nice. So I'm going to draw a very quick castle with a standard, pencil. I think I'm using 4B leads and a little bit of mixture of 6B leads in this. So that's all I'm using. I'm just going to make a very standard castle with my pencil because I love castles. I love this type of stuff. So I thank you guys once again for watching this video. I hope you liked this dragon. This dragon was a very fun dragon to draw. So if you have any drawing suggestions, please comment down below, and especially comment down your dragon suggestions below because I love when you guys comment cool suggestions down below. And also, one more thing I ask, comment down below anything that you want me to do, like any challenges or any cool thing like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this dragon drawing. It was a very fun drawing to do once again, because I love my Uni-ball White Pen. As you see how I used it in this drawing, I used it everywhere. But once again, hit that subscribe button, guys, down below, and please like my video and comment down below once again. So thank you so much and have a wonderful day.